the first thing that we do is we actually get the leather, which is in my hands right here, and then we'll actually have my my cutting guy cut it. First, we design everything in that room over there. We draw it on the last, which is the mold. Every shoe has a unique shape. So they come out of that room, you know, we make the paper pattern, and then he uses the pattern to cut it. So I'll show you what we do to give the bolt, so it can take the shape of our last. He's gonna crimp it through this machine from Italy here. So there's always like an allowance, you know, and he's cutting it to fit the pattern better. So he's marking the pattern with his, that pen comes off the leather, but you mark it for different details and stitching purposes. So he's just getting the shoe ready to get lasted over here. He's putting heel counters in and applying pressure to the heel and all this fun stuff, so that the shoe can start to take some shape and be reinforced in the right areas.